Welcome to this new lecture. As I promised last time, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free, responsive and attractive theme for your blog. So go to this website, goyabitemplates.com, and you can find dozens of free, responsive and attractive templates that you can install on your blogger. You can browse by columns, by sidebars, by topic, by features, by style. Once you find the right one for your blogger, click on it. Let's say, for example, I want these simple grid templates to be installed on my blog. You can have a live preview if you want, or you can just click on download to download it on your computer. Okay, once you downloaded the template you want, click on backup. You want to go to your blogger dashboard, click on theme and click on backup restore. Click on browse file or choose file. Here is the file you just downloaded from the website I showed you. You want to extract the files here. I'm going to right click on it and choose extract here. Okay, once it's extracted, you want to click on the folder and choose the XML file which is inside of it. As you can see, this is an XML document. Just double click on it and click on upload. Okay, now you just successfully update the theme of your blog. For the mobile preview, you want to click on the gear here and you want to choose show desktop theme on the mobile device. Click save. And that's it. Now you just added a new free and responsive theme to your blogger. That's it for this lecture. In the next chapter, we're going to talk about social media and how you can promote your blog on Facebook and Twitter. I hope that's been informative for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.